Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will continue our journey of learning 10 new sentences in the Kashmiri language. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me. So let's get started.
Tsiu gatshakh. Tsiu gatshakh. Tsiu gatshakh. Bgatsa gar. Bgatsa gar. Bgatsa gar. This sentence, bgatsa gar, could be used to make four more sentences. All you have to do is to replace gar, which is house or home, with daftar, school, bazar, or cinema hall. The sentences will be like bgatsa daftar, bgatsa school, bgatsa bazar, bgatsa cinema hall. ये गवन जान, ये गवन जान, ये गवन जान. रूद छु पेवान, रूद छु पेवान, रूद छु पेवान. Tsiकर आख, tsiकर आख, tsiकर आख, tsiकर naerakh, tsiकर naerakh, tsiकर naerakh, tsikot goakh, tsikot goakh, tsikot goakh. Sheen छु पेवान, sheen छु पेवान, sheen छु पेवान. This sentence, sheen छु पेवान, can also be used to make many other sentences. You simply have to replace sheen, which is snow, with rain, which is ruud, or hail, which is doath in Kashmiri. The sentences will become ruud छु पेवान, ruud छु पेवान, and doath छु पेवान, doath छु पेवान. That was it in today's lesson. We hope you are enjoying to learn Kashmiri with us. Do leave us a comment and click on to the like button. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.